Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making hot Cheetos fried pickles. The ingredients that we're going to need today is vegetable oil for frying. I'm going to need a bag of flamin' hot Cheeto puffs. I also have some kosher dill pickle spears, egg, and all-purpose flour. The first thing I'm going to do is get my food processor, and I'm going to put our Cheeto puffs in it to make our Cheeto dust. Now we're just going to blend them until we have our Cheeto dust. Okay guys, so here's our Cheeto dust. Now you want to get a plate and line it with paper towels. We're just going to dry our pickle spears off. You want to dry them off so it makes them easier to coat. Once your pickles are dried off, I'm going to go ahead and take one pickle. We're going to put it into our all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead and coat that up nicely. Then we're going to place it into our egg wash. Next, into our Cheeto dust. Go ahead and get that nicely coated. Now you want to add some oil to your frying pan, and we're going to let it come to temperature. Okay guys, once your oil is ready, you want to go ahead and place your pickles in. You also want to keep an eye on them. We're only going to cook them for about a minute. Okay guys, after a minute you can go ahead and remove them from your pan. Then you can repeat the process. Okay guys, look how nice and crispy they are. Okay guys, so here I have a ranch dip, so we can go ahead and dip our fried pickles in. And all I did was add a half a cup of mayonnaise, 8 ounces of sour cream, and a 1 ounce package of classic ranch. Then I just let it chill for the whole time we were making these. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and take one of our fried pickles. You can hear that, they're crispy. Just going to place it into my ranch. Guys, these are so good. You have to give them a try. Okay guys, so here we have it, our hot Cheetos fried pickles with the ranch dip. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box for the ranch dip also. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?